He said that we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not a knack, but a habit. He also stated that moral excellence comes about as a habit. Now, I'm a teenager. What should I get? Well, my team believes this is very helpful and useful. Why? There are problems. Here are problems we have researched at WHO website that were published at 1st September 2025.
Okay, for the problems, we decided to divide them into three categories, which are mental health, behavioral issues, and also environmental factors. For mental health, we've decided to highlight persistent sadness and hopelessness, which is 40% among us. For example, I like this girl, but I don't think she likes me back. So I feel sad, I feel hopeless that I'll never be with her. And for the second category, which is behavioral issues, bullying reported as very common, which is 22%. If one of my friends sees someone that isn't normal to them, maybe they look different or act different, they like to tease them, they like to gossip about them, so that is bullying. And then for the third category, which is environmental factors, we've decided to highlight pressure to look or act a certain way, which is 34%. Maybe if you see someone that maybe look different or even acts different, you like to pressure them to make them look normal in your eyes. So.
Moving on to the solutions.
For the solutions, we try to create a supportive environment that has open communication and also active listening. So maybe teachers and our parents, if we have any problems, we need them to listen to us. And also we try to create a healthy lifestyle with balanced nutrition so we can keep our body and our mind in the right place.
Now, let's connect it. We have two quotes, problems, and solution. We now have a core context, and that is habit. Now, we have simplified it into 7 habits, or as known as 7 kebiasaan anak Indonesia hebat.
Now, the first one, waking up early. Starting the day early helps us prepare for school and welcome the day with a positive energy. Second is sleeping early. Rest is very important for us children. By sleeping early, our body and our mind can recover so we can wake up fresh and ready to study the next day. The third habit is eat healthy food. Instead of eating junk food or any food that contains too much sugar, anak Indonesia hebat eats healthy food like vegetables or fruits.
Okay, for the next habit is exercising. Me personally, I like to play basketball, but maybe not all students are able to play basketball. It doesn't have to be basketball. It can be football, running, or even simple stretching. You just need to keep your body moving because you know what they say, your body is a temple. So let's keep it like that. And then for the next habit is study diligently. Us, as students, we have a big responsibility to study diligently, to work hard because without that knowledge, we can't make Indonesia greater.
The sixth habit is pray to God. For us teens, it is important to stay close to God, to be thankful, and to ask guidance in our daily lives. Last is care for others, helping our friends, respecting our neighbors, and work together in the spirit of Gotong Royong.
So now, in conclusion, after all that slides and points, we simplify it in one motto, and that is action creates habit, habit develops character, and character shapes future.